I am back at the Powerhouse where these heat pumps are located. And I hear some running. There's the 2005 Pain Teardrop right there. $2,000 4-ton carrier heat pump right here. The newer Copeland scroll compressor. Alright, let's see what's running. Now, I think it's that little carrier YCC over there. 1999 carrier heat pump right here. 2011 or 2013 carrier 3-ton comfort series heat pump right here. Or maybe it's that XLI that's running. I'm gonna check that out in just a second. I thought this carrier was gonna be replaced because the disconnect was shut off. It's 20 years old. Yeah, all three of these are from 1999. There's the Goodman. If I'm remembering correctly, this is from 2011. It's a 3.5 ton. This one I believe is from 1998. 3-ton Millennium scroll compressor. Here's the 2011 Pain. Don't think it's running. Has not been running. Right. 2001 carrier right here. You can see it has a Copeland reciprocating compressor. And we got a Lennox heat pump right here. '13 SEER. I don't know which one of these is running. I think it's that XLI. I forget what year the Armstrong year was made. 2016. Just shut off. Copeland reciprocating. Could probably stick around for a startup. 2002, 2.5 ton.